हेलो फ्रेंड्स, फिलोसफिकल नॉलेज फॉर यूपीएससी चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। यू आर ऑल वेलकम्ड इन फिलोसफिकल नॉलेज फॉर यूपीएससी एग्जाम। नाउ दिस इज लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ सांख्या फिलोसफी नोन एज सत्कार्यवाद or theory of causation. This is also well known as theory of causation and supported by science to some extent. Theory of causation is important in philosophy as well as in science. Satkaryavad of Sankhya is based on following assumptions. Each cause has an effect. This is first assumption. Second, effect is existent in its cause before its occurrence. Third, effect is not a new creation but interpretation of its abstract form into concrete form. Fourth, no cause is destroyed but it comes back to its cause after a certain time. There are two kinds of Satkaryavad. First is Parinamvad, means effect is the real transformation of its cause. Parinamvad has its two kinds. Prakriti Parinamvad. Whole world is an effect and transformed form of nature. This is view of Sankhya. Next is Brahma Parinamvad. Whole world is an effect and transformation of Brahma. This view is of Ramanuj. Next is Vivartavad. Effect is the rebirth or appearance of Brahma. Effect is in the form of asat or changeable. Brahma is sat or not changeable. This world is false from metaphysical point of view. This view is of Sankhya. This view is of Shankaracharya. To propound Satkaryavad, following 5 arguments have been given in Sankhya Karika. That is Asat Karanat, Upadan Grahanat, Sarva Sambhava Bhavat, Saktasya Sakya Karanat, Karan Bhavachya, Satkaryam. This is described as follows. First is Asat Karanat. This is sutras of Sankhya Karika for the explanation of Satkaryavad. Now come to the first point, Asat Karanat. If effect is not existent in its cause, then it cannot be said that it is emerged from its cause. If I do so, then it is just like flower in the sky. It is efficient cause by which abstract form of effect existent in cause comes to concrete form. Means effect is already distributed in its cause. Next, Upadan Grahanat. Particular cause produces particular effect. Main cause behind it is presence of effect in its respective cause. Oil is driven out from mustard, not from sand. If effect is not existent into its cause, then only cause can produce any effect which is not possible. Third, Sarva Sambhava Bhavat. Sat cannot occur from asat. Only possible cause can produce possible effect. Fourth, Saktasya sakya karnat. Able cause is that cause which has power to produce a particular effect. No while can be derived by scent. Upadan grahanat is different from Saktasya sakya karnat, which are gradually related with ability of cause and ability of effect. Fifth, effect emerges only when it is related with cause. In burning ice or flower in the sky, previous term is not related with later term. So first is not related with second. So first term cannot be cause of second term. Means there is a systematic relationship between cause and effect. If such system is absent, then there cannot be effect cause relationship. So now come to sixth point. Karan bhavat. Cause is consistent with effect. Cause is the changed form of effect, and effect is changed form of cause. Cause is abstract form and effect is concrete form. Conjunction or separation between these two is impossible. It is not comparable with river and plant, but comparable with wild and seeds. Shankar and Ramanuj support Sankhyaj Satkarjvat. In Bhagavad Gita, it is told clearly, Nasto vidyate bhavo, na bhavo vidyate satah. Now come to arguments against Satkarjvat. If effect is pre-existent in cause, then effect emerges is not significant. If effect is pre-included in cause, then separation between them is impossible. Clay and vessel made up of clay is one is laughable to say. Next, if effect is pre-existent, then efficient cause is not necessary, but we know efficient cause is essential to produce an effect. Next, in case and effect, if cause and effect are indifferent, then their naming is not necessary. Difference between Parinamvad and Vivartavad. Effect is the real transformation of cause. This is Parinamvad. And effect is not real transformation of cause. This is Vivartavad. Effect is the result of cause, and cause is only true. Effect is reverse of cause. Cause and effect both are true, as vessel of clay is also a clay. Visualization of a smoke into rope. Visualization of a snake into rope is only appearance, only rope cause is true. In this way, we have seen that cause and effect relationship propounded by Satkarjavad is to some extent very unique. It tries to include all the possible and impossible situations of cause and effect. Okay friends, come to next video. One information, my one video one audio 19 is included in our spiritual channel. If you want to see them, you can move to our spiritual channel. Okay friends, thank you. Coming to next video.